Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5055E two-wheel drive tractor. Tractor has just over 300 hours on it. It's a very nice tractor. It does come with a 512 front end loader. Traded the tractor in from a fella in Michigan who was upgrading to a larger tractor. The machine's in really nice shape, paint's good on it, runs and works as it should with absolutely no known issues. Again, it does come with the 512 loader. John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection here. Has the heavy duty bucket on it. Hooks on top of one hook on top of the bucket here. Grill guard is on the machine. .390 hours. Tractor has 59 horsepower, has a gear transmission. Tires are in good shape. Drawbar and top link are both with the tractor. It does have the rear remote outlet back here. Rear work light. It's a nice clean tractor. We take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, we have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. Please feel free to contact us at any time at masttractor.com.